Hello students, welcome you all to the school's YouTube channel of MPS. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications of upcoming videos. Dear students, this is the third grammar lesson of tenses for both the classes, class 9th and class 10th. To get most out of this video, please watch till the end. Now let's get started. What exactly is a tense? Tense is a form a verb takes to show the time it happened. Actually, describes when any action happened with respect to time. Now, the time action took could be past, present, or future. Consider this timeline. This circle represents the present time. The line left to the circle is a time which is already past, and the line right to the circle is the future time. Please understand that the timeline properly, as we going to use this timeline for understanding when any action took place with respect to time. Now, as time could be past, present, or future. So tenses are divided mainly into three types: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Now, each of these three types have four subtypes: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. We can consider it as a family tree. When grandfather tense is having three children: past, present, and future, and each parent is having four sons with the same name: simple, continuous, perfect, or perfect continuous. Binding them all become 12 siblings. So there are going to learn each of them at a time. Before that, we need to revise the form of verbs. Verbs are mainly divided into five forms, which are base form B1, and past form we will denote it as B2. Past participle we will denote it as B3. S or ES form we will denote it as verb S or ES, and ing form we will denote it as B ing. Let's look into an example of verb play. The base form of play is play, and the past form it is played, and in the form of past participle it is played, and in the form S or ES it is played, and in the ing form it is playing. Let's look into one more example of the verb go. The base form of the go it is go. Past form it is went. In the past participle form it is gone, and in S or ES form it is goes, and in ing form it is going. Now that you are clear with the verb forms, let's dive into the tenses. First we will look into the all the simple tenses. Simple present tense, it refers to any action that occurs on regular basis, or any fact that stands true all the times. The sentence structure of it is subject plus B1 plus object. Let's see an example of a regular action. I play football regularly. In this sentence, we can see that I am doing an activity on regular basis from the past and in the future also. I will continue. Let's see an example of this fact. Sun rises in the east. It is a truth. Based on the truth, sun rises in the east. No one can challenge it. So, it's an example of simple present tense. Let's look into the timeline to see when the action occurs. Then we can say that the action was happening in the past, now will continue in the future. Note in case of third person, singular form s or es is used. For example, in case of a third person, Ram, it will be Ram plays football regularly. Let's look into the next tense, simple past tense. It refers to an action that is completed before the time. We are talking about the sentence structure of it. Is subject plus V2 plus object. Let's look into an example. I played football yesterday. Here I am referring an action to playing football that is already in the past. See in the timeline, it will be somewhere here in the left of the time, denoting that the action is completed in the past. Let's look into the next tense, simple future tense. It refers to an action which will occur or happen in the future. Here the structure of sentence is subject plus will plus verb first form plus object. Example, I will play football tomorrow. Here I am referring to an action that will happen tomorrow. In the timeline, it will be somewhere here in the right side, denoting that the action will happen in the future. Now, let's look into all the continuous tenses. For these was its part second. Thank you.